morning, everyone. This is Evelyn E. Manos, your teacher in Mathematics 4.
Our lesson for today is about visualization of decimal numbers, Quarter 2, Module 6. Our objective is visualize decimal numbers using models and renaming decimals to fractions and vice versa. Let us first define decimal. Decimal is used to represent a number that is less than 1. It is written to the right of the unit's digit separated by a period. Examples: 0.5, 0.25, 0.8, 0.52. We use different models to visualize decimal numbers. These are blocks and cubes, number lines, grid, and money. For review, determine the fraction illustrated by the figure. Figure number 1. What is the fraction? Correct! 2/4. 2 represents the number of shaded parts and 4 represents the total number of slices. Next figure. What is the fraction? Correct! 2 represents the number of shaded parts and 3 represents the total number of rectangle. Next figure. What is the fraction? Correct! 7/8. 7 represents the number of shaded parts and 8 represents the total number of slices. Next figure. What is the fraction? Correct! 3/5. Next figure. What is the fraction? Correct! 2/3. Now let us visualize decimal using blocks. How many shaded parts? Very good. There are 6 shaded parts. How many blocks in all? Correct. There are 10 blocks. So therefore, 6/10 is written in fraction. How about in decimal? Correct. 0.6 is written in decimal. Now let us visualize decimal numbers using grid. How many shaded parts? Correct. There are 8 shaded parts. How many squares in all? Very good. There are 100 squares in all. Therefore, 8/100 is written in fraction. How about in decimal? Correct. 0.08 is written in decimal. Visualizing decimal number using line number. What is the shaded part? Very good. 8 is the shaded part. What is the total number of lines? Correct. The total number is 10. 8/10 is written in fraction. How about in decimal? Correct. 0.8 is written in decimal. Visualizing decimal number using money. What money we are using in this figure? Correct. We are using 1 peso coin. How many 1 peso coin is shaded in this part? Correct. There are 8 1 peso coin are shaded. How many 1 peso coin in all? Very good. There are 10 1 peso coin in this figure. 8/10 is written in fraction. How about in decimal? Very good. 0.8 is written in decimal. Now let us test how far you've learned in this lesson. Let us practice. Refer to its specific instruction. Write your answer on a sheet of paper. Number 1. Draw a box and color to visualize 0.7. Number 2. Draw a number line and color to visualize 0.4. Now let us answer number 1. Draw a box and color to visualize 0.7. Correct! There are 7 shaded parts and there are 10 boxes in all. Number 2. Draw a number line and color to visualize 0.4. Very good! There are 4 shaded lines and there are 10 lines in all. Renaming decimal numbers to fraction. Example number 1, 0.5. Step 1. Read the decimal number with the proper place value. Step 2. Write the decimal as a fraction with 10 as a denomination. Now let us try to answer step 1. Read the decimal number with the proper place value. Very good! 5/10. Step 2. Write the decimal as a fraction with 10 as the denomination. Correct! 5/10 or 1/2. Example number 2. 0.05. Step 1. Read the decimal number with the proper place value. Step 2. Write the decimal as a fraction with 100 as the denomination. Now let us try to answer step 1. Read the decimal number with the proper place value. Correct! 5/100. Step 2. Write the decimal as a fraction with 100 as the denomination. Very good! 5/100 or 1/20. Rename the following decimal numbers into fractions. Number 1, 0.2. Number 2, 0.9. Number 3, 0.04. Number 4, 0.5. Number 5, 0.08. Your time starts now. Now let us answer. What is the answer? Number 1, 0.2 in fractions. Very good. 2/10. How about 0.9? What is the fraction? Correct. 9/10. Number 3, 0.04. What is the fraction? Very good. 4 over 100. Number 4, 0.5. What is the fraction? Very good, 5 over 10. Next, 0.08. What is the fraction? Correct, 8 over 100. Now give the fraction and decimal number for each shaded part. What is the answer in decimal? Very good, 0.10. How about in fraction? Correct, 10 over 100. Number 2. What is your answer in decimal? Correct, 0.4. How about in fraction? Very good, 4 over 10. Number 3. What is the answer in decimal? Very good, 0.6. How about in fraction? Correct, 6 over 10. Number 4. What is the answer in decimal? Very good. The answer is 0.20. How about in fraction? Correct, 20 over 100. Now you will match the fractions in column A with their equivalent decimals in column B. Your time starts now. Now let us try to answer number 1. 58 over 100. What is the answer? Very good, 0.58. Next number, 75 over 100. What is your answer? Correct, 0.75. Number 3, 3 over 10. What is your answer? Very good, 0.3. Next number 4, 5 over 100. What is your answer? Correct, 0.05. Number 5, 9 over 10. What is your answer? Very good, 0.9.
That's all for our lesson for today. Thank you and God bless. This is Teacher Evelyn at your service.